Now, a stained glass window encapsulating the hard work of NHS staff in tackling the Covid-19 pandemic has been created after a crowdfunding campaign. The glass depicts the role of doctors, nurses and paramedics, and it's hoped it can tour hospitals around the UK so those who contributed can see it. Our reporter Kevin Reeves has been finding out more.
In a workshop at the bottom of his garden in Birmingham, artist Jamal Rafay has spent the last few months carefully handcrafting a homage to the NHS. It's a stained glass window encapsulating the role of the staff in fighting the pandemic and kicking coronavirus into touch.
You see the way all these social carers, doctors, they're all frontline fighters, as we call. So it's just like how you can contribute as an artist, how you can make your part.
Also depicted, the weekly hand clapping, the multinational workforce, and of course the symbolic rainbow. Each piece had to be painstakingly handcrafted before being baked in a kiln, and not to mention the inspired leadwork. Well, it's when you bring it out into the sunlight that you can fully appreciate this artwork, and it's hoped it can be displayed in a similar light in NHS hospitals around the country. It's the idea of Parmjit Singh, whose life was saved by the NHS when he had cancer 8 years ago. He's forever grateful, so launched a crowdfunding campaign to pay for the glass.
For me, what was really pleasing was the depiction in the silhouette of the workforce, which is made up of a number of nationalities, and Jamal's taken that idea and really represented it in that silhouette. He's done a really tremendous job. And I think conceptualising the whole fight against COVID was really nicely put together in that piece.
I do a lot of restoration work, I do a lot of other things, but obviously this is something is very, very close to my heart as well, as a designer, as an artist.
It may soon be on display in the atrium of the QE Hospital in Birmingham, and it's hoped a UK tour can begin soon after that. Kevin Reed, BBC Midlands Today, Birmingham.